As long as I'm here, nothing will happen to you no matter what comes our way. As long as I'm here, nothing will happen to you. No matter what comes our way. 有我在，无论发生什么，你都不会有事。有我在，无论发生什么，你都不会有事。Nothing will happen to you. As long as I'm here, nothing will happen to you, no matter what comes our way. This is a solemn promise of protection and unwavering support. The speaker is taking responsibility for the other person's safety. They vow to stand by and shield them from harm through any difficulty. It conveys reliability, loyalty, and deep care, giving the other person a strong sense of security. Here's an example. Suppose two friends get trapped in a sudden heavy rain on the street, and one friend says, "Stick close to me, I'm here. No matter what happens, you'll be fine." He will keep his friend safe, maybe find shelter, keep him away from traffic, and take care of all unexpected problems. He will not leave his friends to face the bad situation alone. 有我在，无论发生什么，你都不会有事。